determine the power supplied by the 2 volt source. This 2 volt source, how much power supplying we need to find. We'll see how. Initially, consider the circuit in the same way, and consider this as mesh 1, mesh 2, as it is we are doing mesh analysis. Using mesh analysis we are doing, and consider the currents I1 and I2 in the clockwise direction, so that it will be easy for you. Then after considering, what you will do, write the mesh equations, that is apply KVL to mesh 1. How to apply? Already I mentioned plus minus is in the question itself. While doing itself, 5 volt minus 4I1, 4 into I1 minus 2 into I1 minus I2 plus 2 equals to 0. By rearranging, you will get the first equation. Then apply KVL to mesh 2. Mesh 2, how we will apply? Minus 2, that is from the here considering in this way, clockwise direction. So minus 2 into I2 minus I1. Why? Because we are considering the mesh 2. So first mesh 2 currents need to be taken, then first mesh 1 current. So I2 minus I1. Here we are considering mesh 1. So first I1 minus I2. Here I2 minus I1. Why? Because mesh 2 we are considering. Then 5 into I2. Okay. Then minus 1. Plus minus 1 it is there. So end sign is minus, so minus 1, that equals to 0. After writing these two equations, what will we do? After writing the two equations, we need to find the current in the both meshes, I1 and I2, so that we can find the power supplied. Solving 1 and 2, we can do one of the method is what we can do in this way. How? That is 6I1 minus 2I2 equals to 7, minus 2I1 plus 7I2 equals to minus 3. If you for cancellation method, if you multiply this with 2 and this with 6, this will become 12I1 minus 4I2 equals to 14, minus 12I2 plus 72I2 minus 18 it will become. So this can be cancelled. Why? Because plus minus can be cancelled. Then if you calculate this, minus 38 I2 you will get, then minus 4 I2 equals to, so you will get I2 you will get as this. To get I1, substitute in any of the above equation, you will get I1 equals to 1.132A. These are the two ways you can do the what I1 and I. This is the one way. Sorry, another way I will show you now. This is one way you can find I1 and I2. One more easy way is using calci. But before that, we will see the power at 2 volt supply, how we will do. Power equals to what? V into I. V into I. Power at what they are asking? 2 volt. 2 volts is in between of this and this. Power supply by 2 volt source. So 2 volt source means voltage into I. Power is V into I. V is what? 2, you know. 2 volts, and you want the current. The current passing through this is I1 minus I2. No, I1 minus I2. After doing I1 minus I2, what you'll get? 2.474 watt. Okay. See, why I1 minus I2 is here the current is moving in this way. Here this current is moving in opposite way. So I1 minus I2. You got the power supply. Now we'll see the next method, how we can find I1 and I2. This is the cancellation method. Using calci, how we will do. We will see now that.
Here you can see there are two equations. For doing one of the method is to solve the equations is this. But if you want directly from these equations values, we can use calculator to do that. Initially what you will do, go to mode, press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you will get an equation kind. Click 1. Then unknowns are how many? 2 are the unknowns. So click 2. So you will get A1. A1 you should give as 6. Then you should press equals to. Then you will get B1. What is B1? Minus 2. Minus also you should give here. Minus 2. Equals you will get C1. That is equals to C1. This is C1. You need to give us 7. Again equals A2. Second equation. Minus 2. B2. 7. Then C2. What is C2? Minus 3. Equals to if you press, you will get I1 as 1.1315. See, I1 as 1.1315. Nothing but 1.132. Then I2 as, here you will get as X and Y. While taking only you need to understand that what is X and what is Y. If X is I1, then Y will be I2. So I2 will be minus 0.1052. Minus 0.1053. So using calci also easily we can calculate. Here while taking, initially if you are taking this as I1, here also I1 value only you should take. This is A1, A2 and A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2. If you are taking in this way, the value what you are getting, I1 will be X and I2 will be Y.